So this leaf is called Asarapka. If you know the name in English, then you tell us in the comment section.
Okay, how about this?
This one.
What is this one? What is the name of this? Okay, the name is Sunanshi Adara. Ekpa.
Wannan Asarapka.
Okay, Ekpa. Asarapka.
Etal.
Oh.
We are going to mix the ingredients. Then we'll teach you how they make the soup. Hear me? You will peel the ekpa and remove the other parts. Then cut it into smaller pieces. After cutting,
Okay, what is the name of this?
This one, Ekpa.
Ekpa.
Yes.
you peel the ekpa and remove the outer parts. Then cut it into smaller pieces. Wash it thoroughly. Put a small amount of Asarapka into the pot first. Then you add the ekpa, add the remaining Asarapka on top and place the pot on fire. Take the groundnuts and pound it well.
Okay, that is the name of the groundnuts in Adara.
After pounding the groundnuts, check if the Asarapka is cooked. If it is, you then add the groundnut and stir it very well. Add maggi and salt. Then cover the pot and allow everything to cook properly. When it is well done, you remove it from the fire, dish it out, and it is ready to eat. Oh my God. Kindly subscribe and tell us if you enjoyed the lecture.
Akajia, alalo poroni. Akajia yo.